Buzz my air off. I don't think I've ever changed the pads of the rear. You can do it! That is pre-mank. Oh, packing peanuts. Pretty sure that's really, really bad for you. Hell yeah, that looks dope. Yo dudes! Okay, today we're sorting out a few things on the Cupra, mainly the brakes. So I've got a month until this is booked in for the new cage, and it's kind of just sat here. I can't drive it, I can't do anything with it because it's fully stripped, so we're just going to start ticking off jobs. Most of the cage is out. I've just been waiting on saw blades so I can get the rest of it out, but majority of it is done. I've stripped the sound deadening from the floor as well, and then that just needs a bit more of a tidy up. But yeah, we've got some pretty serious brakes to fit, so let's have a look. I've had these for a while now. They've just been sat because I haven't known what I've been doing with the car, and I didn't want to fit brakes when it was just going to sit there and do nothing. So they've sat here for now, and I'm finally going to fit them. At the moment, the current setup is just standard Brembo discs with Frodo DS2500 pads. But on the last track day, I did kind of find the limit of that setup, and like it started fading a little bit. And it was about time for the brakes to be replaced anyway. So my friends at Tarox have sent me some F2000 discs. I was looking at these originally when I first got that set up, and then, you know, it was out of my budget, but I've heard very good things. We have the fronts and the rears, and we have, basically the fronts we've gone for a lot more aggressive pad setup, and the rears we've gone for a little less aggressive. And then we've got Tarox brake fluid, dry boiling point over 300 degrees. When you're doing track days and stuff, if your brakes get really hot, your normal fluid can actually boil. So this is racing fluid, so it has a lot higher boiling point, so it doesn't boil. And then I got braided lines, and then I've got some brake bleeding nipples. So we've got a hell of a setup. Literally, I've had my eye on F2000 discs for ages, and hopefully we should see a big improvement. Oh, the other thing is buzz my air off. I couldn't be dealing with long tufty bits here, and my barber's shut. So yep. Sent it with a grade 2. I mean, I don't like it, but I'm just gonna wear a hat because you wouldn't know if I was wearing a hat. Speaking of hats, these dad hats that we've got, we are selling these for a tenner or 2 for 15. We basically were just doing a stock take on the warehouse the other day, and we realized we got loads, and we haven't sort of pushed them at all for a long time. So we've got green, the one I'm wearing, we've got white, and we've got navy blue, and they are £10 each, or if you buy 2, then it's 2 for £15. They're real nice hats. We got nice embroidered diamond logo on the front. We've got the BQR snap tag on there, and then there's a BQR tag in there, double lining inside. Just real nice quality. If you've shaved your head like I have and you look like a thumb, then buy a hat and protect your head. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get the brakes on. I'm gonna start with the rears and then I'll do the front, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I have a guilty confession to make. I've owned this car since 2013. So that's 7 years. I don't think I've ever changed the pads of the rear. All the discs. That's a pretty big lip. They're gonna be gross. So let's get them off. I am not a mechanic either, by the way. This isn't what I do for a job, this isn't my trade. So if you see me do something retarded or think I'm doing something wrong or got any suggestions, then just let me know. It's kind of fun with this quarantine stuff because there's no one around me to help. Now that I'm kind of on my own, it's forcing me to do stuff that I wouldn't probably tackle on my own. So it's pretty nice. Until I fuck up. Oh, they're on there. The two 8mm bolts that hold in the carrier. See, there's one there. They're like super crusty. So this is gonna be fun. I just realized I look like Adam Ivor with this fucking bald head. Hi, Adam. Hey. Sorry. Ow. You can do it. No, you can't. What a dick. Maybe we try a different angle. Oh, no. No. I got this fancy thing that adapts a ratchet spanner. Oh, come on. He's done it. He's done it. Whoa. Carries off. It's looking a bit crusty. Should probably paint these and refurb them, but we're not doing that today. Oh my god, it didn't snap. That is pretty mank. Hello, freshie. There you go. Old versus new. Oh yeah. Cool, that's about as good as I'm gonna get it. By the way, if you spot it on the back of my head, I accidentally sent it through my hair without the guard on, so I have like a bald spot on the back of my head. It's pretty funny. Next door's drilling something, so sorry about the noise. Let's just time lapse this and get them on. And we're done. Stoked on that. I'm not going to bleed them because I am the only person here and I don't have a pressure bleeder and I don't have a friend to step on the pedal for me. So I'm going to do that tomorrow when Al is in. The braided lines, I've already got braided lines on here. So on the rears of these, this is like flexi line all the way here. You don't replace this. The braided line is there. Tarox gave me these nice and fancy ones, but I can't get them off because my brake line spanner is rounded and I just don't want to risk not being able to get them off or get these on or only do one of these or blah 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 blah. These will be going on when I bleed the brakes probably, because I'll just get someone to bring around their brake line spanner. But yeah, these are proper gnarly. Nice. All right, let's do the fronts. KWV3 coilovers, or we could do with a clean, but they're stainless steel, so they still look all right if you give them a little rub. That's tight. Hey, they don't get any looser. What the fuck is this black magic? The threads are halfway out, it's still this tight. What a crusty nugget. You know, it'll probably make my life easier if I turn the wheel. I'm literally using a wood screw. Oh, well, it works. So have that. This disc is like absolutely solid, so I'm thinking that that spacer is probably seized on there. Oh, that's not fun. Let's hit it with a hammer. Well, that was a bit of a bitch, and that's really hot, but gross. Okay, so there's no grub screw, so Oh, come on, where's my hammer? Cool. Original Brembo disc. Let's get the Tarox. Oh, packing peanuts. Old versus new. So they're not actually any bigger. They are exactly the same size. I think they're 323 mil. They're just much better discs. I've got a mask on because this brake dust is disgusting. Look at it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure inhaling brake dust, like on pads, pad dust, brake pad dust, that's the one. Pretty sure that's really, really bad for you. Ooh, I'll tell you what I did get. Got a shipment from Germany. Come in. So I got this belt, which I need to delete the AC. Dipstick, because I'm probably going to snap it. Some coil packs, because mine are sharp. And my new sump. My sump baffle kit. So that needs to get welded in there. There you go, fresh sump. Baffled, that's going to go on. Starting to collect a fair few parts. So I'm stoked. Lots of stuff going on. I hope you're enjoying the build. I know this is only part 2. But, you know, it's one of them. I'm not really like a huge one for talking videos. I don't think I'm that interesting. I normally try and like break it up and like do a bunch of different stuff in a video, but because of quarantine, I can't really do that. I can't see anyone. I can't make videos with like the other guys. I can't go anywhere. So yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with this for now. We'll be back to normal when the quarantine's over and I'll be out and about and filming videos with other people. But for now, you're stuck with me in the warehouse doing the Cupra. So enjoy. Hell yeah, that looks dope. Let's get the wheel on, see what it looks like. There we go then. Tarox brakes, rear and front. That looks so good. I'm just gonna do the other side quick. I don't need to film that because you've already seen this happen. So let's get the other side done. That was a lot harder, actually. That front spacer was like way more C's. That took about 20 minutes to get off. And then one of the rear caliper bolts in here had snapped and I had to drill that out, and that was just a complete pain in the ass. Hell yeah, that looks so good. Shout out to Tarox. I'm very happy with them, they look awesome. I'm kind of gutted that it's gonna be a few months before I get to do another track day, because I kind of just want to test these now. But, you know, that is life. Also, I don't know if you spotted this in the background, but that is Andy's. I don't even know what this is. It's not actually a Honda, that's just a sticker. But he's got a Sextile on the front and it's got a completely solid rear end. This thing just sort of like is the epitome of Andy. We'll probably do some videos on this at some point when we can next hang out together, but yeah. Whilst we're here and whilst I remember, let's do a giveaway. This week, because we're running the offer on the dad hats, I'm gonna give away 2 dad hats. So all you gotta do if you wanna win one of these hats is drop a comment down below. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but whenever I'm doing the giveaway, I literally pace around the unit. I have no idea why. I just can't stand still. I feel like a psychopath standing still. Well, I just don't know what I'm doing. If you want to win a hat, leave a comment down below. We do them in green, we do them in white, we do them in navy. So I'm gonna give away 2 of them. So if you want to win that, all you gotta do, leave a comment down below. I wanna know what you think of these Tarox brakes. I also wanna know, what car do you drive? Or if you don't drive yet, then let me know what your first car is gonna be. But yeah, I'm guessing a lot of you drive, considering you're watching car videos. So yeah, just leave me a comment down below, let me know what car you're driving. I'll pick 2 at random to win the hats, and there you go. Oh, also, the winner from last week, the white ball tee, you are the winner. Congratulations. And yeah, everyone else, just leave a comment down below and you'll win some hats. Or, like I said earlier, these are £10 each or 2 for 15 on the website. Link is in the description. Next video, I'm probably gonna start mocking up the intercooler and get that fitted, which will be fun because that's quite a lot of trial and error, and I've got to custom make some brackets, so that's gonna be fun. So that's probably gonna be the next video. Huge shout out to Tarox for the hookup on the brakes. I'm just annoyed that I can't get out and test them right now. I will definitely be giving you guys an update on that whenever I do the track day next. Until then, I will see you guys next week for the front mount video. Follow me on Instagram down here. Follow our business, which is all the clothes and stuff, down here. And yeah, have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.